Hello there. Your man is back in Sri Lanka. Wherever you go in this world, to return back to your home country. Okay, I came to Sri Lanka almost a month back, but I'm doing a video now. Jerry, why didn't you do a video when you came to Sri Lanka on the first days? I'll tell you why. To tell you the truth, the moment I came to Sri Lanka, the very next day, I fell sick. Why? In Sri Lanka, the weather is so hot. It's like summer in Dubai during the first days when I came to Sri Lanka. The sun heat was so immense, too hot. It was like 33 degrees. Normally in Sri Lanka, in the daytime, it's around 27, 28 degrees. But when I came to Sri Lanka, I'm talking about the first days, like the first week or two, the humid was so great, and great in sense people die of heat. So even in the TV news, they advise, the physicians, the doctors advise, drink plenty of water. I felt sick. In fact, I heard some people died due to lack of drinking water. So I'm going for a walk in my neighborhood in Kandan, Sri Lanka. So what I was saying, it was very hot in Sri Lanka in the first days when I came. I'm talking about end of March, the beginning of April. It was humid, the temperature was high. Now it is back to normal. So when it was hot, let me go through this way. What you can see there after this wall is a cemetery. All these dead people. And that's the church. Okay. So what I was saying, due to the humid temperature, it's a very hot temperature, I started to drink cold water too much. When I go out somewhere and come back home, I straight away open my fridge and drink cold drinks, cold beverages. Like, you must have seen my short videos I have uploaded, me drinking beer, a lot of beer. As a result of that, I fell sick. I was suffering with fever. And I had a terrible cough, and I didn't want to be hospitalized. I didn't want to admit myself in the hospital like the last time when I was in Sri Lanka. I was affected with corona. This time it was not corona. Now there's no corona at all. I don't see anybody who affected with corona. But I was sick. I went to see a doctor and took some medicine. Now I'm okay. Now, to my shock, it's raining every day. Back to normal. Okay. Let's stop talking about the sicknesses, falling sick, weather condition. Let's keep it somewhere aside. and I want to talk about the current economic situation in Sri Lanka. The last time when I was in Sri Lanka, a dollar, US dollar, was around 200 Sri Lankan rupees. After 3 months of me being in Dubai, when I left Sri Lanka, around 2 to 3 months later, US dollar became around 300 something Sri Lankan rupees, which is ridiculously too much. I don't know. A random lady was honking on me. Maybe she knows me. I don't know. What? Video kini. How's it in? So people who know me talk to me. Hello. So this is the church, John the Baptist Church, my neighborhood. Huh? How's it in? ඔතන ඉන්නවනේ. දැන් මේක ඉන්නේ. මම අවසරෙන්ද? So we said, can't I meet him? I said I will come in the evening. So now I'm busy with you guys, as this is my very first video since I came to Sri Lanka after 1.5 years living in Dubai. Oh, I tell you, so the economic crisis was ended by the current new president of Sri Lanka, Ranil Wickremesinghe. He restored the country. Restored in sense, it's not we are not up to level, but in the restoration process. So keep that aside. Up next, I was about to talk about one subject and I forgot it, because I spoke about the economic crisis. In fact, when I do such a video, I should write the points on a paper and start talking to you one by one, which I'm not good at it. Normally I don't have scripts when I'm doing videos, so natural raw videos I do. People who've been watching my videos for years, they know. My neighborhood, sometimes I see a lot of cows running here and there, and sometimes they block the road, so I cannot pass. See, your man is getting old now. Normally you have seen me with full shave face. Look, all white hair. And my birthday is coming up, end of May. Normally, I have never seen any YouTuber saying their age to their viewers, but why not? I will not tell you my age directly. I will tell you I'm in my 30s, late 30s, I should say. Okay, see the beautiful roads of Sri Lanka. Everywhere holes. So what I'm saying. Okay, now I remember what I was about to say. The reason why I'm back in Sri Lanka is because this tuk-tuk guy is stalking me. He's a good friend. You have seen my Pritipura beach video. I have video in my channel. It's called the most dangerous beach, which is Pritipura beach. I had to go through Vattala, Sri Lanka, in that area. So I went with him. He was the tuk-tuk guy who took me there. So what I was saying, again I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, the reason, due to what reason I had to come back to Sri Lanka. I was working in Dubai. Should I say the company name? No, it's not good. So this company laid me off. I worked there 1 year, 1 month, and they said you have to leave. So here I am, back in my home country. I'm planning to go back because the economy is not good in Sri Lanka. Still not good, though it is restored by the president and his team. Still it is not fully restored. Still people are suffering, the poverty is there. So if I want to make money, in my theology, I have to go back abroad. Here, Mother Mary statue. Okay, let me go further. So I had to come back to Sri Lanka. Noise. Huh? Walking. Oh, video මැද්දේ ඉන්නේ මම අවසරෙන් නැහැ පැත්ත. කඩේක පැත්ත. So he's telling a tuk-tuk driver is stalking me. He's saying it's an emergency. I want to talk to you. I said I will come back near the church area and then we can meet. So see, houses building, under constructions, bigger houses, giant houses. So what I was saying, every time I'm talking about something important in this video, someone comes and disturbs. Okay. I'm talking about the tuk-tuk guy. So I'll go back because if I keep walking through this way, I will reach the main road, the Colombo road, which I don't want to go. So I was talking, I had to come back to Sri Lanka. Now I am looking for jobs. To go back overseas. And do you think I'm really making money from this YouTube channel? No, not yet. I have about 1,000 subscribers, but I have to go beyond. I have to achieve 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So I still have 1,000 something. I used to have 3,000 something watch hours on my channel, but it should be last 365 days. Depends on how much people watch, how much time people watch my videos. So more people watch, the more watch time my channel gets. So if it goes beyond 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, so I can monetize my channel videos and make money. I have done around 160 something videos, but very few people are watching, very less. That's why I'm still not making money from YouTube. If I'm making money from YouTube, if the money flows from YouTube channel, then I don't need to do a job. I can be a full-time YouTuber. Yeah. Is there another point I want to talk about? Look at this mango. This tree has mango. Sri Lanka is very natural. One thing I like being in my country. On the other hand, though I don't have a job, no source of income, but I'm still happy. I'm healthy. Though I felt sick in the first days, I'm getting to eat healthy food. Full 3 meals of the day. Perfect meals. Not little from here, little from there, oily food. No. That's what I used to eat in Dubai. But in Sri Lanka, my mother cooks. She gives full portion, a big portion, every 3 meals. You know, every meal. So totally 3 meals. All 3 meals I'm eating good, healthy food. And I get to sleep well. No stress, no office work. Really, I'm living a very restful life while I'm in Sri Lanka right now. You can see more from my face. So due to that, I'm very healthy. I gained a lot of weight. You can see my tummy, and I want to show you my tummy. So I'm happy. If you're happy, if you're living a very restful life, no stress, it'll show up from your face. Okay guys, that's it. I want to tell you, that's all I want to tell you in my first video after a long time in Sri Lanka. More videos to come. For you to get the notification, what you gotta do is hit that subscribe button below the video and hit the bell notification, so you get a notification alert soon as I upload a video. I'm so happy. Today it's not hot, no humid, because it rained in the morning. Those who are living abroad, overseas, Sri Lankans and people who love Sri Lanka, even the foreigners, this can be a good video to let you know the current situation in Sri Lanka. And in my background you can see the natural beauty of Sri Lanka. See, cows everywhere. They want to eat the grass, not necessarily only grass, any kind of leaves. Okay, I'm gonna sign off from this video right now. See you in the next video. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.